Welcome back. In our final segment of the Analyzer 701, we're going to look at how we can take advantage of Microsoft Excel to actually take this data from the Analyzer, and then if you want to create charts or format your data, for those of you Excel wizards out there, I've seen some pretty neat displays of information, and we'll show you how to do that. Once you get your data laid out exactly the way you want it and filtered, let's take out some of these aircraft types just to shorten up the display. We've got this laid out exactly as we want it. Now let's go ahead and dump this into Microsoft Excel. We'll expand one as well. The way we do that, obviously you have to have Microsoft Excel installed on your system. Otherwise it's going to provide you a nasty message saying you can't do that. But we'll go ahead and drop this to Excel. And you see right now it's going to write the Analyzer information into Excel. And you can see we had Cessna 172 expanded. So we're going to get the data presented by the aircraft ident or the N numbers. And once it's complete, it'll tell us the export is complete. So let's switch on over. There we go. And as we can see now, we can actually take this data and format it in any way we want. Capabilities that are not directly into the Analyzer. So we can take and color code them. We can shade them. If we want to highlight this, and we can chart, creating using the chart wizard. So we can actually take and create charts on the fly. Really unique. So this concludes the 701 series of exporting the data into Excel, and then the power of Excel itself and the formatting with the data that came from the Analyzer you can do with as you desire. Hopefully you've learned some of the unique capabilities of the Analyzer within Logbook Pro, all the way from the basics of data layout to exporting to Excel in this video series.